Today we talk about how can you find space on your Octa app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here. You go here above this sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here. You keep going down here. So when you just keep going down here, then you come here to space. You just click here on space here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. And here can you find here space on your Octa app. So I have nothing yet here in my space here. And can you find it in this list on your Octa app, and here can you customize here fit. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.